What is Hall Prize? What opportunity does it give to us? How can we participate? Please watch this video till end to get all the answer.
So I am the Chartered Campus Director of Hall Prize at University of Wolverhampton for 2020-21 season. Next year, the new team will be formed and the new campus director will be selected from among you only. So this year, you will receive an opportunity to know more about the Hall Prize and its partnership with the United Nations itself. Before talking about the Hall Prize, let's see the global network of Hall Prize. As you can see in the screen, there are 21 lakh students connected with the Hall Prize. So after being the partner organization of Hall Prize, Maryland College Viratnagar students will be connected with the 21 lakh students community. So these students were empowered by the Hall Prize to solve the social problems. Hall Prize is basically about creating a startup idea that will solve the social problems. Around 5 lakh startup business ideas has been generated through this Hall Prize Foundation in over 1 decade. So almost students from 2000 university participate in this Hall Prize competition, and among those students, those participations, 5 lakh startup ideas generated, and similarly every year 3 lakhs annual applications. So you can see the number is very huge. Now about the Hall Prize competition and about what is Hall Prize, you can see the on-campus program on your screen. So participate in this Hall Prize program. At first, you must know about the what is on-campus event. So there are 2000 universities all around the world which are connected with the Hall Prize. All those campuses organize their on-campus event inside their campus for the students. Only the participants will be from the university itself. So as you can see in the screen, the Hall Prize is home to the world's largest college and university network for impact. Yes, for the impact, it's for the society. The startup idea which you will generate, at first it must impact to the global community, the entire country, and most importantly, it must on profit, right? The on-campus program operates on over 2000 college campuses on 5 continents, and it's made up of students, university administrators, professors, and alumni who participate in program as mentors, speakers, and sponsors for event, workshop, and startup competition which are organized under the Hall Prize banner. Now, Hall Prize is a partnership with the United Nations, so it's already a very huge brand. You will be allowed to participate in that under that banner. So the mission of Hall Prize is, as you can see in the screen. So before talking about the mission, you can see the picture next to of students from all around the world. This picture is taken at the Hall Castle of London, right? So the students from all over the world program were invited to the Hall Castle for 2 months program. Hall Prize mission is to transfer how young people envision their own responsibilities as leader of change in the world around them. With a $1 million, so that's a very huge amount. $1 million global startup prize anchor activity, the Hall Prize has brought impact focused programs, events, and training to over 1 million students globally, creating a pathway for youth everywhere to take action to build a better world. Yes, it must be a social entrepreneurship idea, right? So this is all about Hall Prize mission. This Hall Prize was founded by Mr. Ahmed Askar. He is the CEO, current CEO and founder of Hall Prize. About him, he is named one of the top 100 most powerful adults in 2019 by Golf Business and Entrepreneur of the Year in 2018. So what Ahmed Askar says about the Hall Prize. Okay, so the Hall Prize, there are 6 pillar approach of Hall Prize. Hall Prize inspire the youths to participate, like Ahmed Askar inspired other youths. I was inspired by the Hall Prize Thailand community builder Mr. Johannes Stephen to participate in this program, and similarly I am inspiring others to participate in this program, because there are lots of opportunity you will get after participating in this program, like mentorship opportunity, guidance from the top mentors. You can even get connected with the investors as well. Our MCB family is very much supportive towards this Hall Prize program. They will also be mentoring you. They will also be providing you the resources required for the entrepreneurship idea. Right from the first year itself, there are many problems prevailing in our country, right? So in order to solve that problem socially and with the profit motive business, you can create and you can generate an idea. You can talk to the MCV faculty, and they will surely help you to generate social entrepreneurship idea. So Hall Prize educate its participants through various training and seminars, and the participants compete with each other. Now let me talk about the competition here. Previously the MCB was organizing the events in which the students were competing within themselves. Now the competition is not within ourselves. Competition is with the campuses of the global university from all around the world. So you need to be very much prepared for this accelerator program. First you will participate in the on-campus event, then you will qualify for the regional summit, then you will qualify for the global accelerator program and the UN finals at UN headquarters. I will talk about it in later slides, and you will also get the funding. And now talking about the scale, you can even scale your startup through investors. Now how to convince the investors, how to scale your startup idea? For this, you will also get the various training and seminars after being a participant at Hall Prize. So every year, Hall Prize give a challenge to the global world for the social entrepreneurship idea. In 2010, as you can see in the screen, the challenge was education, and the winning. And similarly, every year the challenge is different. In 2014, you can see the challenge was healthcare, and the winning team was Nano Health. And this Nano Health team is from Indian University. So it's not always about the foreign universities, foreign campuses winning the Hall Prize, $1 million. Even India has also won this cash prize. So why not Nepal? Why not MCB? So this is the challenge. So we also can win it with the mentorship of our faculty members. We have got the very experienced faculty members. Now talking about the 2021 challenge, the challenge for this year is Food for Good. We have already sent you the link for this challenge. Hope you will watch the YouTube video and get more information regarding this year's challenge. You have to prepare a social entrepreneurship idea that impacts the community all around not only in Biratnagar but entire Nepal. So you have to prepare such a startup idea.